In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex.com Margin Calculator. This simple tool helps you figure out exactly how much money you need to open a trade and how much each pip is worth in your account currency, so you can size positions confidently and manage risk before you click buy or sell. Start by opening the calculator. In your browser, go to the Forex.com Margin and Pip Calculator page. It loads quickly and is easy to use, so it's worth bookmarking for future trades. Next, select the market you want to trade. Choose the currency pair from the list, for example, EUR/USD. Picking the exact pair matters because margin requirements and pip values can differ between pairs, especially when a currency like JPY is involved or when the pair is less liquid. Now enter your account currency. For many traders, this is USD, but select whatever your trading account is funded in. This ensures the calculator shows results in the currency you actually use, which makes the numbers immediately actionable. Then, enter your trade size. You can type it in units or lots depending on what you're comfortable with. For clarity, many platforms refer to 100,000 units as one standard lot, 10,000 units as 0.1 lot, and 1,000 units as 0.01 lot. If your plan is to trade 10,000 units, enter that. If you prefer lots, enter the lot amount that matches your strategy. Accuracy here is important because the results are proportional to the position size. Check the result the calculator provides. You'll see two key numbers. Required margin shows how much of your account must be set aside to open the position. Think of it as a deposit that reduces your available or free margin while the trade is open. Pip value tells you the profit or loss per pip movement in your account currency. This makes it easy to translate a stop loss or a target into dollars and cents. For example, if the pip value is 1 and your stop is 25 pips, your estimated risk is about 25 in your account currency. Use these results before placing a trade. Compare the required margin to your current free margin to confirm you have enough room. If the required margin feels too high for your comfort or exceeds what's available, simply reduce your position size and recalculate until the numbers align with your plan. Make this a quick habit. Open the calculator, select the market, enter your account currency and trade size, review required margin and pip value, and adjust as needed. It's a fast, reliable checkpoint that helps you avoid margin issues and keeps your risk consistent from trade to trade.